Okay. That was a fun little ditty that I just did. I really like that chord progression. Ooh, that one. I can't explain what this does for me. I can't explain why I see what I see. I just do. Can anybody explain the wiring? Can anybody explain the wiring? I think not, so you better stop with your lecturing. Never want to be told what to do. Not that I'd be any good at doing what you wanted me to. Every time I try, every time I try, every time I try, I can never get it right. So I just give up. And maybe that's a defeatist attitude, and I'm sorry if it's rude, but I am not gonna lie. All to please you. That's why I don't have to stay on key. I never have to stay on key. He, 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 he. I got too much to do. I got way too much to do to worry about you. To worry about you. It's so weird to think about how much people put out on a stage. Like, seriously, when you think about the internet, it like blows your mind. We're not smart enough to have this kind of technology. I'm smart enough, and it still boggles me. Mind boggles. Boggles me. Did I just say boggles me? Boggles me. Is that a word? Boggle? Oh, it's a game. It's a game with words, but mind boggle. But is boggle just a word? We're making it up. I have boggle, by the way. I have that game. The old ass version of it. I have old versions of so many things. You know, the one that's like made in the 80s, so it like wasn't changed for like cultural appropriation purposes, you know? Like, remember that game Guess Who? You know what I'm talking about? That's a really racist game, if you think about it. Guess Who based off of stereotypes. That would, oh my gosh. I think I have that game too. I should look up. I should look it up. Look it up! I like that a lot. Okay. Got me. I know he's got me. I know he's got me. I'm getting way too experimental now, huh? What are you talking about? You ain't doing shit with this keyboard. No, I'm not. It is a synthesizer now. Like, this sound is definitely a synth sound. I like that. I'm trying different stuff, okay? I'm seeing if it works or not. Yeah, okay. So I could do this on stage, couldn't I? It would work. This would work really, really well, especially if I had something to say that was really profound, or maybe not profound at all, but I make it sound profound. That's all you have to do to make something sound different. Just change the sound. That's what I do now. Yeah. I could say something really rewarding, or maybe insulting, or maybe a conspiracy thing. Doesn't work. I like those other two chords, or two keys. Those work. But yeah, it's something to do. Something different to do. I don't think you've ever done it like that before. You typically just play chords and mess them up. Yeah, for the most part, dude. For the most part, they're so bad. But it works. It works for the act because people think I'm just like purposely fumbling up there. But I'm not. I'm just a mess.